Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Somebody asked Appa to make a curry prawn, which really is very simple. Okay, so I have some big prawns here. Usually curry prawn is better to use bigger prawns so that it can actually tahan the cooking process. But still, I'm going to cook the prawn in less than around 4 minutes, okay, maximum. I have cleaned, I cleaned the prawns and also deveined the prawns, all right? Then let's look at the curry ingredient. It's not difficult. Actually, today I choose to use a simpler version. Usually you will see me using a lot of different kinds of powders. Today I'm only going to use 3 because I want to show to you that these 3 alone actually forms the base of the curry. Alright, so let's look at the fresh ingredient first. I have some chopped tomato, this is about half tomato here. A little bit of chopped galangal, blue ginger, okay, also called blue ginger. A little bit of, this is ginger, okay, this is the old ginger, chopped old ginger. A few cloves of chopped garlic. This is little red onion chopped. This is fresh coriander, and this is bruised lemongrass. Okay, you need to bruise it, then only the fragrance can come out. And this is the curry leaves. Actually, is probably a bit too much. You don't need so many. Now, like I said, these 3 powders here actually forms the base of the curry. You have 1 ratio of red chili powder. You have 2 ratio of red chili powder, 1 ratio of turmeric powder, 1 ratio of coriander powder. So it's 2, 1, 1. These 3 will give you what we normally call curry powders. Okay. Of course, if you want to add in your other thing like bay leaf, cinnamon stick, star anise, and also what else? Cumin, all those can, up to you. But this is the base. So usually my curry looks very complicated to many people. Some of them ask me, Appa, can you do a simpler version? This is a simpler version. Okay. Alright, if you are using a stainless steel wok like Appa does, then always add oil in cold wok, then only you raise the heat. Okay. By doing this, you will reduce the sticking problem. Still you will stick, but lesser. Okay, and remember, whenever you are cooking anything curry, you don't worry so much the oil, because you do need a bit more oil for curries to really bring out all the fragrance. So first of all, we want to saute all the fresh ingredients. Some curry leaves in. So we want to saute this until my tomato started to dissolve. This is why to expedite the process, I actually try to chop the tomato into smaller pieces. Okay, this may take a couple of minutes. We will come back shortly. Okay, this is about 2-3 minutes sauteing. We can now put in the powders. I actually use a little bit lesser powder today. Remember, if you use too much powder, your curry will taste very powdery. It won't taste good. Now, after you add in the powder, remember to turn your heat into lower, okay? Maybe to medium heat, because the powder can get burned rather easily. So we want to saute this until the oil started to break. Okay, this may take a minute or 2. Alright, this is after about 2 minutes of sauteing. You start to see the oil started to break. When people say the oil started to break, meaning you can actually see the oil started to come out. Alright, this is a sign of your ingredients is already started to cook. Then we can actually put in you can put in some broth. I'm going to mix hot water with some milk. Okay, I'm going to turn out the heat. Now it's on high heat again. One thing I like about stainless steel wok is I can always daringly scratch the bottom. Alright. Okay, when you want to make your curry creamier, best is you can put in the coconut milk, especially the fresh coconut milk, okay? I don't have any coconut milk with me today. I'm going to add in the normal milk. Also usable, okay? There's no hot and fasten rule in Appa's kitchen, but of course, in order to achieve the best result, it's always to use the fresh coconut milk. Even if you manage to find the pack, those cells in the packet ones, the flavor will be not as good as the fresh one, right? So we want to bring this to a boil before I put in my prawns. This dish is almost done. It is very fast and very simple. Only the preparation part may take a while. Oh, it's already boiling. If that's the case, I don't mind putting my prawns. Right. Don't try not to overcook your prawn. I'm going to cover this with a lid and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, then it is done. Just do some final seasoning by then with salt and sugar. Okay, so I'm going to cook it under medium-high heat for about 3 to 3.5 minutes. We'll come back shortly. Okay, my prawn has been simmering under medium-high heat for the past 3 minutes. Ooh, look at all this creaminess. My prawn is definitely cooked. And let's do some final seasoning before I serve. Let's give it some salt. Some sugar. And I'm going to add a bit of fish sauce just to give it a little bit of umami flavor. Be careful, fish sauce is very salty. Okay, basically the dish is done. Nice creamy prawn curry. I'm going to show you how I serve it. Alright, so here's my curry prawn. Very simple, very easy, and it will take you less than 10-15 minutes to do it. And if you have any bun, small little bun, you can deep fry that and dip inside, dip using the curry gravy. If you want to enhance the flavor of this, number one, you can use a coconut milk. Number two, you can actually use a chicken stock. Yeah? Use a chicken stock to cook curry. Your curry will definitely 100% taste very good. Alright, so I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.